Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Trello desktop app and clear local storage step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Trello desktop app on your computer. For Windows users, click on the Start menu. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, select Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features. In the list, right-click on the Trello app icon. Select Uninstall from the context menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation. If you are using a Mac, open the Finder. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications. Locate the Trello app in the Applications folder. Drag the Trello app icon to the trash bin. Alternatively, you can right-click on the app and select Move to Trash. After uninstalling, it's time to clear the local storage. On Windows, open File Explorer. In the address bar, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the AppData roaming folder. Look for a folder named Trello and delete it. Next, navigate back to the AppData directory. Click on Local and check for a Trello folder there as well. If you find it, delete that folder too. For Mac users, open Finder, then click Go in the menu bar. Select Go to Folder from the drop-down menu. Type /library application support and press Enter. Search for the Trello folder in this location. If present, drag it to the trash. Finally, empty the trash to permanently remove any remaining files. You have now successfully uninstalled the Trello desktop app and cleared its local storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.